In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all direct messages in Slack. If you've ever found yourself navigating through Slack and wondered how you can easily view all your direct messages in one place, then this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, head over to the Slack website. If you're using the Slack app on your computer or mobile device, that's perfectly fine too. Open it up so we can begin this straightforward process together. Once you arrive at Slack, you'll need to sign in. You can do this by entering your email address associated with your Slack account. Alternatively, Slack offers convenient sign-in options using Google or Apple, which might speed up the process if you're already connected with those accounts. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Slack homepage. The next step is to identify the specific workspace where you want to view your direct messages. If you're part of multiple workspaces, this part is crucial. Each workspace holds different conversations, so you'll want to ensure you're in the right one. Simply click on the name of the specific workspace to enter it. Once inside the desired workspace, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. This is your navigation hub where you can switch between channels, direct messages, and other parts of Slack. Now, focus on the sidebar and locate the section labeled Direct Messages, or simply DMs. Clicking on this section will take you to a list of all your direct message conversations. Think of it as your inbox for private chats within that particular workspace. Once you click on DMs, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the direct messages you've exchanged within the workspace. This includes every conversation you've had with colleagues, either one-on-one or in small groups, neatly organized for you. This feature is incredibly helpful for keeping track of your communications within Slack, ensuring you never miss an important message. It provides a centralized spot to see who you've been talking to and helps you jump back into conversations as needed. If you find yourself needing to revisit discussions, retrieve files, or follow up on past conversations, the DM section is the ideal place to start. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to access all your direct messages in Slack. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With these easy steps, managing your communications in Slack is now a breeze. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy messaging.